Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet kettle cover design model. Let's start the video. A crochet kettle cover is a decorative and functional cover made of crochet that fits over a kettle. It serves several purposes. Like insulation helps keep the water inside the kettle warm for a longer time. Protection prevents dust and dirt from accumulating on the kettle when not in use. Decoration adds a charming vintage or farmhouse touch to the kitchen, especially if designed with floral, lace, or rustic patterns. Crochet kettle covers are often made using cotton or acrylic yarn, and they can be customized with intricate stitches, ruffles, or embellishments like crochet flowers, ribbons, or buttons. They are similar to tea houses but designed specifically for kettles rather than teapots. Here are some useful tips for making a crochet kettle cover that is both functional and stylish. First, choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn is best because it is heat resistant and durable. Acrylic yarn can be used but avoid placing it near an open flame or extreme heat. Next, select a suitable stitch. Thermal stitch like oval stitch or front post double crochet provide better insulation. Lacy or open work designs add a decorative touch but won't retain heat as well. Single crochet or half double crochet creates a tight, sturdy fabric. Ensure a snug fit. Measure your kettle carefully and adjust your pattern to fit its shape. Add an elastic band or button closures to keep the cover secure. If the kettle has a handle or spout, create openings to accommodate them. Add decorative elements, crochet floral appliques, ruffles, or scalloped edged for a vintage farmhouse look. Construct theme colors to match your kitchen decor. Add a crochet bow, tassels, or lace trim for a shabbatic touch. Make it functional. Consider lining the inside with fabric for extra insulation. If the kettle is frequently used, make the cover removable and washable. Create a handle over as an extra accessory for a coordinated look. Choose the right pattern style. A snug fit cover is tightly fitting over that wraps around the kettle like a sweater. Dropping cozy, a looser design that drops over the kettle like a tea cozy. Drawstring or buttoned cover makes it easy to remove and Adjust for different kitty sizes. Use a heat-resistant yarn. Wool or cotton yarn works best. They are heat-resistant and insulating. Avoid synthetic fibers like polyester or acrylic, as they may melt near high heat. Functional openings. If the kettle has a handle or spout, make sure to create small openings or buttoned flaps for easy pouring without removing the cover. You can also crochet individual handle covers for extra protection from heat. Add insulation for warmth rotations. To keep the water warm longer, add a quilted or filled fabric lining inside the crochet cover. Use double crochet layers for extra thickness. Secure the cover properly if the kettle is frequently used. Add tie strings, buttons, or velcro fastenings to hold the cover in place. Plastic bands or ribbed crochet ends can help create a snug fit. Decorative touches for a vintage look. Add lace edging, crochet ruffles, or floral appliques for a farmhouse or cottage-style aesthetic. Use classic colors like warm beige pastels or floral patterns for a shabby chic touch. Embroidered or crochet a teapot or floral motifs onto the cover. Easy maintenance makes the cover removable and machine washable for convenience. Use lightweight, breathable stitches to prevent moisture buildup. We think these ideas. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!